Namaste.
Namaste, dear. How are you? How is your leg? Getting better? You can dance today? Can try later?
Try later.
Yes, very good. So now we had left the Anupallavi last class. Today we will do the Anupallavi part of it. There is some more stanzas left to this Anupallavi. Okay? And we may have to do that. You did up to Thanam Kitatajam Tarita, isn't it? Okay. So after that, it comes Sahitya. Okay? So you want to see how it goes? Bhuvanamoga Saundara Adirudana Kusumaka Prajamohana Sarasi Ruhadala Lochan Mama Manasapad Chora Suswara Gitas Muralidhar Suramohita Mama Mochan Bhuvanamoga Saundara. After you finish the Tanam Kita Tajam Tarita Sagari Nisa Tajam Tanam after that then Padam then Pitambaradara Manimaya Makara Kundalam Idam Jala Jalana Ditom Risa Pani Sanida Talangutaka Talangutaka Deep Tak Kutari kita kukita takrida kida jana tanam tadinta nitya you finished no?
Yes.
Nitya vrishabhanu sukuma vikrida pada jnana bhama marachita till then. Okay. Now you sit and do the abhinaya, then later you can stand and do. Adhirudana kusumakara Adhirudana Kusumakara Brajamogana Sarasiruha Dalalochana Mama Manasa Padujorasu Swaragita Sumuralidhara Muralidhara Suramohita Mama Mochana Suramohita everyone Suramohita Mama Mochana again Atirudana Kusum. I'll stand up and show you, then you can follow that when you're dancing. Okay? Adhirudana Kusumakara. So you must stand like this. Swastika. Rajamogana. 2 steps forward. Mohan Sarasiruha Dalalochana Mama Manasa Paduchora Swaragita Sumuralidhara Suramohita Mama Mochana. So there are little steps there. Adhirudana Vrajamohana Sarasiruha Dalalochana. Both sides. Dalalochana Mama Manasa Paduchorasu Swaragita Sumuralidhara Suramohita Mama Mochana. Everybody is Sur, everybody, Devas, everybody is praying to him, and he is a person. About him, Atirudana. He is beautiful, he is handsome, he is smiling, his eyes are like white lotus petals. One who plays the flute very well, very melodiously. So Swaragita, so Swar ke saath. It's not ordinary flute. Swaragita su Muralidhara.
Suramohita.
Mama Mocha. You can do different legs for Murali. Swaragita su Muralidhara. Not only, I would say, Swaragita su Muralidhara. You can even sit like this. Swaragita su Muralidhara. Muralidhara you can take a round. And then Suramohita Mama Mocha. One can take the liberty of walking or being in a pose while there is an abhinaya.
Yes.
But at the same time, the abhinaya should be intact. You shouldn't forget that.
Yes.
So that needs lot of practice then. But you must fix it. Again you do. Adhirudana Kusumakar Prajamohana Sarasiruha Dalalochana Mama Manasa Paduchorasu Swaragitasu Muralidhara Suramohita Mama Mocha Bhuvanamo.
First, second.
Yeah, do that. No, you can do Dittai.
Third one.
Bhuvanamogha Saundara Sukumara Bhogadata Priyakara Kauma. No, that is not good.
Bhogadata.
You do another one. Kaumara
Bhogadata
Priyakara Kauma. You must sit in this. You can sit either straight like this, or you can sit straight like this fully. Kauma. You can do that.
Or we can ballet.
Yeah, or like this you can do. Yes, you can lift your leg
Yes.
and do that also. Okay. Do Bhuvanamogha Saundara Sukumara Bhogadata Priyakara Kaumara Mara. Look at that. So shall we do from Tanam Kita? We'll be able to do the jatis because then that is the continuation of this. 1, 2. From Davala.
Dhavala.
Yes, that is only Anupallavi. Do Davala Nuta Samuha Samana Danta Visita Mita Hasana Gambira Davala. Next Davala. That we finished. Davala Nuta Samuga Samana Danta Visita Mita Hasana Gambira. Back.
Dhavala.
First lane? Okay. Davala Nuta Samuga Samana Danta Visita Mita Hasana Gambira. Davala. First Gambira. After walking. Then Davala Nuta Samuga Samana. From there you must get shoulder. समान दन्तविसित मितहसन गम्भीर back and Anam Vikatacham Tarita Sagari. Not this side, outside. Sagari Nisa. Tajam Tanam Dalim Dari. Tanam Vikatacham Tarita Sagari Nisa. Tajam Tanam Dalim Dari. Padam Buja Swayam Jwali. You must lift the leg and do Padam Buja. Padambuja Swayam Jwalita Natanavara. Isn't it? Diditai, Diditai. Padambuja Swayam Jwalita.
Jwalita.
Does it come there? Okay. Padambuja Swayam Jwalita Natanavara. Rajam Tanam Dakum Jarita. Padambuja Swayam Jwalita Natanavara. Tajam kanam bagum karita tanam tajam karita. Tajam kanam bagum karita tanam tajam karita sagari nisa. Tajam kanam bagum karita. You must go nicely bend.
Tajam
Kanam bagum karita. Pitambaradhara manimaya makara. You're taking too much time in taking this. Pitambaradhara Manimaya Makara. You must show this properly. Manimaya Makara. Because in this, too much, in the Angabhavam, it goes off. Pitambaradhara Manimaya Makara. Manimaya, both the sides. Manimaya Makara Kundalam Idam Jala Jalana. Pitambaradhara Manimaya Makara Kundalam Idam Jala Jalana Pita. Isn't it 30 meter? No, 2 times the same thing. Same thing.
Same thing.
Okay. Do once more. The second time. Pitambaradhara Manimaya Makara Kundalam Idam Jala Jalan Ditum Ditum Ditum
Ditum. No.
Yes. Ditum Ditum Risa Pani Sanida isn't it?
Ditum.
Ditum
Risa.
Sit down. Pani Sanida Sanida Talangutaka Talang 2 times. Talangutaka Talangutaka Dim Taditum Ditum
Padambuja.
No, it won't come.
Tattameter?
Not now. After this.
To this. Okay.
Taditum Ditum Risa Pani Sanida Talang. Now Talangutaka after Taka Talangutaka Dim Kutari kita kita kutakirda kida jana takirda kida takirda kida jana isn't it that one?
So
Where you want to get the
Tattameter
of
Parashuram Pitambaradharam.
the second one only is the 30 meter.
Okay.
Again it won't come.
Okay.
Do from Pitambara, don't get confused. The first Pitambara is only the thing.
Okay.
But all this 30 meter you are doing it after the Charanam.
After the Charanam.
Yes, then why do you want to do 30 meter now?
Okay. So 2 times.
2 times
Like
just show
shape,
different
same.
variations
Okay.
in the hands.
Okay.
That would do. No need for 30 meter here.
Okay.
Okay. Will you do? Pitambaradhara Manimaya Makara Kundalam Idam Jala Jalana Pitambaradhara Manimaya Makara Kundalam Idam Jala Jalana Ditum Ditum Risa Ani Sanida Badala Gutakatala Gutakadi Taditum Ditum Risa Ani Sanida tala kutaka talangutaka kutari kita takra kida janakatmanamadi nritya vrishabhanu. It's in the hip. Nritya vrishabhanu sukumar vikrita pada jnana bhama marasita. Do it again. Nritya nicely. Nritya vrishabhanu sukumar vikrita pada jnana bhama marasita atirudana kusumakar Rajamohana sarasi mukadala lochana manasa paduchora suswara geeta muralidara suramohit mama moja ubanamoha saudara sukumara bhogadapta priyakara kaumara. And you must see kaumara. There is enough time, so nicely you must look at the hand and then do, then it looks nice. Kaumara bhuva namoga saudara sukumara. When you go back, you can stand in one place. So from which you want to review?
Dhavala.
Want to do? Dhavala nuta samuga samana danta vishita mita hasana gambhira dhavala nuta. First thing you must show is then both the times if you show like this, then there won't be variation. I mean, how will you show both? Or you show like this, this is mountain, right? Dhavala nuta samuga samana. Show that. Dhavala nuta samuga samana danta vishita nita hasana gambhira. So do both. 1, 2. Dhavala nuta samuga samana danta. That also very slowly you must do. Dhavala nuta samuga samana danta visita. Only you must come here. There's enough time to show. Otherwise, the audience will not understand what you are trying to do. So there should be clarity when you are doing. The dhavala only so much. You cannot take from there. Dhavala nuta samuga samana danta visita mita asana gambhira dhavala. Then you take the hand. Dhavala. Properly from there should be a beginning, no? Nuta samuga samana danta visita mita hasana gambhira. Gambhira, where to look? Not down. While walking itself, gambhira. Must always look on both the sides. Yes. Do again, both together. Slowly. 1, 2. Dhavala nuta samuga samana. Then when you're keeping the flower, this is the petal. You're taking it from inside. Yeah, that is the petal, right? So you have to show the outside petal. Yes. Do that. Davala nuga samuga samana danta misita mita hasana From where do you take the hand? From there it won't come. From here only the sparkling. Where there is ice on the top of the mountain, there only it will sparkle. Sun is anyway sparkling. Don't show there. Not that side. Mita hasana. There. Danta visita. Okay, now before that, sorry. Davala. You show that? Davala nuta samuga samana danta visita. From that sparkling, get the danta. Do that? Davala nuta samuga samana danta visita from there. And when you're showing sparkling, how the bhavam should be? Samana mana danta visita mita hasana gambira way to look on both the sides. Gambi back side. Again, both you do. 1, 2. Davala nuta samuga samana danta visita mita hasana gambira davala nuta samuga samana. The race. Samana. Yes. Do again. Davala nuta samuga.
Saman.
Again. 1, 2. Davala nuta samuga samana danta visita mita hasana gambira. Even this, when you show it, you can take twice the race instead of once. And then, even though danta visita starts, you can bring the hand. There's a lot of time in that. Do that. Davala nuta samuga samana danta visita mita hasana gambira. Have you understood? Do both. And then we are going further. Do from the beginning. 1, 2. Davala nuta samuga samana danta visita mita hasana gambira. Davala nuta samuga samana danta visita mita hasana gambira. Tanam kita tajam tarita sagari tajam tanam tajum dari tanam kita tajam tarita sagari tajam tanam tajum dari pada buja swayam jwalita. Jwalita doesn't come in proper talam. Padambuja swayam jwal. There is no jwalita again.
Okay.
So it is Padambuja swayam jwalita. It is like a lotus feet. That's all. Padambuja swayam jwalita. Rajam nam takum karita padambu swayam jwalita. Rajam tanam takum karita padam. Tajam tarit sagari nisam tajam tanam takum tarita padam kita tajam tarita sagari पीताम्बरधरं मणिमयमकरकुण्डलम् इदं जलजलनपीतां. Do this takadimu. 1, 2. पीताम्बरधरं मणिमयमकरकुण्डलम् इदं जलजलनपीतुं दितुं दितुं रिसा पनी सनि गवतला गुतकतला गुतकदी दितुं दितुं रिसा पनी सा. You're getting confused with that?
Yes.
Taditum ditum.
Visa.
Do that. Taditum ditum risa pani sani gava talanguta talanguta kadi takutari kita kutari kita kukita takudakida jana tanam chati nritya nritya vishabhanu sutunat विकृत पद ज्ञान मामा मनसि अधिरूढन कुसुमाकर व्रजमोहन सरसीरुगदललोचन मम मानस पडुचोरस स्वरगीत सुमुरलीधर सुरमोहित मम मोहन. Till that. This Sarasiru, it's like this. You're keeping it your hand like this. Sarasi. Sarasir, very spoken with soft, speaking with very kind words.
Looking right side or a straight?
Sarasiruga. Very sarasa his words are. Adirodana kusumaka Rajamohana Sarasiruga Dalalochana Dalalochana Mama Manas Paduchorasu Padichorasu Padichorasu from the Padichorasu Swaragita Suralida Suramodita Mama Mocha Uvanamo. The third one, no? Moha Saundara Sukumara Bhogadapta Priyakara Kaumara Vanamoga Saundara. You can go back also and stand in a pose.
So after completing Bhogadapta Priyakara
Bhuvanamoga Saundara Sukumara. You can even stand like that. That will also look very nice.
So
No need to go back also.
Yes.
With that, you can stand this one pose. One more pose also you can stand. If the song till they finish the talam, so you can make two more.
Bhogadapta
Priyakara Kaumarayabu Anamoga Saundara Sukumara. You can do. Okay?
Okay.
Now you understood this fully?
Yes.
You want to do once again from Davala Davala? Only once. No more stopping in the middle. Start doing it. Davala Davala Nuta Samuga Samana Danta Visita Mita Hasana Gambira Davala Nuta Samuga Samana. That again you did that mistake. From here it is not like this, I told you. The rays are going. Davala Davala Nuta Samuga Samana. You're getting confused with that. Davala Davala. Do the second one, this you know. Davala Davala Nuta Samuga विचित मित हसन गंभीरय तानं तजं करित सगरि तजं तनं तगुंदरि तानं तजं करित सगरि तजं तनं तगुंदरि पादाम्बुज स्वयं ज्वलित नटनवरम् तजं तनं तगुंदरि पादाम्बुज स्वयं ज्वलित नटनवरम् तजं तनं तगुंदरि तानं तजं करित सगरि निसा तजं तनं तगुंदरि तानं तजं करित सगरि निसा तजं तनं तगुंदरि पीता वरदरा मणिमय मकर कुण्डलम् इदं जल जलन पीता वरदरा मणिमय मकर कुण्डलम् इदं जल जलन दिपुं दिपुं दिशा निदपतल गुतकतलाङ्गुतकदी तदितं दितं दिशा निदपतल गुतकतलाङ्गुतकदी तक्कुतरिकिट कुतरिकिट कुकिट तकृदकिड जलद नृत्य नृत्य वृषभानुसुकुमारी मरसित अतिरूढन् कुसुमाकर रजमोहन सरसीरुहदललोचन मम मानस पडुचो रसुस्वरगीत सुधीदर सुरमोहित मम मोचन विवर्णमो. Now you understood? So you must practice, unless you practice over and over several times. You know, you're doing this dittai on the opposite side. It is dittai, right? You're turning this side with this hand. So that and all you must.
Dittai.
No.
Dittai.
Yeah, you're doing it opposite. So all those things you must correct. And in the next class, get well, and then I'll see you in the next class.
Namaste.